Tusky reaching out to you here from Park Ridge. Just wanted to give you a quick update on an available home that we have in inventory. It is going to be ready for a March closing. It's a really cute house. It's called the Naples Plan. It is one of our newest floor plans. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. It's 1,600 square feet, and it's only $189,100. We've picked out some great colors for this one, a little coastal feel, some dark hardwood floors and lighter cabinetry and things in the kitchen. Come out and take a look. If you've got any buyers interested in a brand new Stevens home and just can't wait for the 90-day build, this is a great opportunity to own a brand new Stevens fine home and be in it by March. I've attached some pictures for you to review. If you would like to schedule a tour, please call me 910-431-0085 or just shoot me an email and we'll get you scheduled. If you haven't been out to Park Ridge in a while, I do suggest you come out and take a look. We welcomed over 40 new families to the community last year alone, and we're already on our way to over 10. So it's booming out here. So come out and see why, and I do look forward to seeing you and your buyers. Have a great day.